wrong to say. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
Boosted Stealth is our new highest performance longboard. With a top speed of 24 miles an hour and more acceleration than any other model, this really is the best electric longboard you can buy. Our riders ride literally thousands of miles per year, and normal longboard products just aren't built to stand up to this abuse. So we took the opportunity with Boosted Stealth to engineer from the ground up. The new product is really vehicle grade. The deck for the Boosted Stealth is fully composite, borrowing technology from the snowboard industry. We use a poplar core in the center of the deck to give you that lively feel that you're used to with a boosted product, but with lighter weight than bamboo. Our new trucks will also be about twice as strong as our old ones. We're adding more material in key areas to strengthen the trucks where they're under the most strain. We're really excited to be able to pair our new decks with custom wheels that are specifically designed for commuting, as one of our goals was to make the grippiest wheel possible. Boosted Stealth is our highest performance board and includes a 5th ride mode for higher top speed and acceleration. It also comes with CNC'd metal pulleys on the wheel, which gives you a quieter ride and better efficiency. The top mode is fast and thrilling. You're going to fly through traffic, and you're going to feel in total control with the acceleration and brakes that Boosted is known for.